Hey guys, so mum is so adorable. She got me a package and told me that I need to record it, so that's what I'm gonna do, and that's what you're about to watch. Let's see what she got. So I got my box cutter and we're about to find out what this is. I don't even know. All I know is this is heavy, so let's have a peek. All right guys, what is this gonna be right now? Sorry, I'm literally on my table in the corner, so if you can't see too much, I really apologize, but this is the best way I figured I could do it with the lighting and the camera and everything. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys! She got me a thermal printer. I can't even speak. And it's Munbin. I'm lost for words. I have been dreaming about this thing. Oh, bless her. She literally watches my struggle. Mums are just the best. She watches me as I get an order. I have to save the individual labels and then I go to Canva and I upload them all on there and make sure they fit. I don't have a printer at mine, so I have to go to the high street after I drop the kids, print the paper for 25 to 50p and then cut it out and then stick it to labels with sellotape. And that takes up so much time. It takes up my petrol. It takes up money because I have to pay for the paper every time I print it. Or if I'm at hers and I got some labels to print, then I'd use her printer, save the 25p to 50p, but I still have to cut it out and stick it on the parcels. And this is just incredible! What? I'm dreaming! I could not believe I'm holding a Munbin thermal printer right now. I'm dying. So, what should we do? Should we check that out first? Or there are different bits in here. What's going on? What has she done? I'm just gonna go through one at a time. So let's start by opening this, because what is the first thing I saw and I'm already like, what? I can't imagine what these other boxes are. Let's go. Let's go. This is just, it's changed the game right now already. I hope she kept that receipt because I'm about to pay her for this. There's no way. I want to have all my expenses returned, and because it's mumsy expense, like I have to return that. I feel so, oh my gosh, she is an angel. So the box says hello. I think I might do an official Munbin review, but for now I'm just gonna unbox it. Oh my gosh, guys, what is happening right now? So it comes with a piece of card right there, comes with a power adapter, comes with the charger, and then it has so I stopped using hers and I stopped paying for it at the shop. I didn't think she'll just get the thermal. Now this woman's been listening to me because I ramble, guys. I just be talking. I'm one of those people, and it's my mum, you know, so you just like talk and talk and talk, and I just think it's like she gets excited with me as well. But I just, oh, she's amazing. This is a sample, so that comes in there. Look how small and adorable this is. What? And it just perfectly sits on the table nicely. It might even go up there, but I'm actually sure that there needs to be something behind it. I'm gonna do a whole Munbin review, but for now we're gonna move on because there's like 4 or 5 more packages in that box and we need to get through it, so let's go. Okay, next is this little box. What is this? So let's see together what that could be. It's a roll. Oh, maybe it's for the mun bin. It is. So she also got the roll that I can add to the mun bin. That is amazing. This woman is just everything to me right now. I don't think you understand. This is heavy. This is a heavy thing. What is this? Oh, the label. Oh my gosh, this whole package is for the mun bin? Wow. Are they pink? Are they pink, Mum? Stop. This lady got me pink labels. I'm finished. Are these pink? Am I tripping? They are pink. Guys. And it's a massive stack. Yay! Okay, next box. You guys have seen this before, I am. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's the thing that holds up the labels. So you can stack this up and it's basically going to hold your rolls, and then at the bottom you can stick the labels. Mom, wow. I don't even know right now. Can you guys just comment below, like, I don't even know. Just write a lovely message to my mum so she can see your comments, because she deserves everything. Everything. So she also got some reusable tablecloths. I think maybe she just wanted me to have it so I can lay. Basically, I'm always doing my parcels on my kitchen table. And sometimes I want to take a picture of them and the table's looking a bit manky under there. My nail table's a bit better. It's from IKEA and I can clean it with acetone. But my dining room table I got from Amazon, and yeah, I also tried to clean that with acetone. And yeah, it got all kinds of messy. The paint went everywhere and I was like, I'm never doing that again. But I also do nails on that table for my clients, and I obviously cover it up when I have clients. So yeah, this is going to be amazing. I'll be able to take pictures properly for my products and do packaging videos. So I'm really grateful for that. Oh my gosh. The last thing in the box is this, and this is quite thick too. So it could be like one of these. We got more labels. Let's see this stack. She got me pink and white. Oh, she's amazing, honestly. Just to double check. Yeah, so she got me a stack of white and a stack of pink. I love her so much. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna have to call her after this and just be like, are you an angel? Where did you come from? I don't deserve this. I do. I feel like I do deserve it, but I'm being humble. I have to pay her back. I have to. You know when your small business just grows and then you can finally like treat yourself? I'm going to treat my mother, because this is just, it's a big move and it means she believes in me. Oh, that's just like the best feeling in the world, like when your mum believes in you, your parent believes in you. This has given me extra motivation. Mum, if you're watching this, I love you, girl. Oh, you the best. You're the best. Hopefully I do you proud as well. I'm not nervous talking to you guys, and then when I'm talking to my mum, I'm like, she's adorable. I love you so much, mum. This has been the best unboxing I have ever done, purely because of the sentiment behind it. I'm really grateful. I feel so blessed right now. But I also feel like I have the responsibility to continue doing what I'm doing, have my mentality right, make the right moves, don't give up. That's the message to everyone from mum. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure your comment goes out to my mum for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.